Hello everyone and welcome to Trickz. In this tutorial I will show you how to find the serial number of your PC or laptop with very simple steps. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from my channel. So guys, let's get started. So to find out the serial number of a PC or laptop, you just have to open the CMD command prompt either by Windows R or else by searching in the Windows. So just search CMD and run it as an administrator. After running it as an administrator, the command prompt will be opened where you just have to type the command which is known as wmic space BIOS space get and space serial number. So there is no space between serial number. So you just have to type this, and after that just hit the enter button where you will get the serial number of your PC or laptop. And one more thing is that this will be working in all the operating systems, so you don't need to worry about the operating system which Windows version is. So here you will find the serial number of your device, desktop or laptop, where you can be using this for installing the drivers or whatever it is. So this was all about the searching the serial number of your PC or laptop with very simple steps. So thanks for watching.